Hi, Tracy Hugelmeyer here from VintagepreneurUniversity.com, where I help vintage sellers start, grow, and scale their business on Etsy. I also own my own vintage business, Rustic Eye, that I've had on Etsy since 2013. And this is part 4 in a series all about branding. In part 1, we talked about why branding is important to your vintage business. And then in part 2, we talked about making a logo for your brand. Part 3 was all about copy and tone. And now during part 4, we're going to explore how incorporating colors into your brand can be a good thing. When choosing the right colors for your brand, you want to think about two things. One, what will speak to your target market, right? It's all about your target market most of the time. And two, how you want to represent your brand, meaning what's important to your brand and what you want that to look like. But here's the thing. Like so many other things when it comes to running a successful business, you don't necessarily want to get caught up on the smaller decisions like what colors you're going to have for your brand. Definitely take a little bit of time thinking about it, but then make your decision and move forward, and don't let that hold you back. So how do you figure out what colors to pick? That's entirely up to you. You can Google, the meanings of different colors and see if any of that speaks to you if you're kind of stuck. I also have a free training that gives you kind of a breakdown of what the different colors mean. Again, this is not like a make or break type of decision, but if you get stuck, it might help you to make a decision. So you can check that out at VintagepreneurUniversity.com/free training. I'll also link that in the notes for you below. But let's talk about some of the places where you might want to incorporate your color once you have it figured out, your colors from your branding in your business. On Etsy, we don't have a lot of space to, bring our branding in, but there are places to do so if you're just a little bit creative about it. You could incorporate it in your banner, in any of your item photos, even if it's not the photos that are directly related to the item that you're selling. Maybe it is just a picture that shows your branding and where they can go sign up for your email list, so you can use your colors there. If you have a website, of course, you can use your colors there. You can use it all over social media whenever you're making any type of graphics. You can incorporate your branding colors in your business card and other places in your packaging, down to the gift wrap you use or the tissue paper that you use to wrap your items, if that's something that applies to you. So there's lots. Those are just some examples. There's lots of ways you can incorporate your branded colors. And what that does when you continue to incorporate your branded colors, it helps reinforce your brand. It helps make it recognizable. And those are all things that go towards building your brand as a whole. All right, so I hope this was helpful. I'm going to go ahead and link to the rest of the branding series for you below as well, so you can check that out, and there will be more to come, so keep an eye out for those. If you want to make sure you don't miss them, make sure you subscribe to my channel and click the little bell as well. That way you'll get notified anytime a new video comes out, including additional videos in this series. And if you like this video, make sure to give it a like as well. And don't forget to check out that free training if you're interested. All the links are down below for you. Thank you so much for joining me today, and have a great rest of your day. Bye.